Welcome to the Thomson Reuters ProView Practice Series. In this video, we'll introduce you to some basic search techniques and how to navigate within a title. Finding the title you need from the ProView library is easy with the search and filter tools. You can quickly locate a title by filtering on the title or author's name. The Sort menu allows you to change the order by which titles are listed in your library view. Choose from options such as alphabetical title name, jurisdiction, and subject. Quickly jump to different sections of your list of titles by choosing from the alphabetical quick scroll. The Search and Filter panel contains the Content Search field and a variety of filter options such as subject, jurisdiction, and category. Filters can be used in combination with one another to narrow down your list of title choices. You can clear out searches and filters quickly by selecting the Reset link on the Search and Filter panel. ProView makes it easy to search for a keyword or phrase across all of your titles at once. If you're using a mobile device, such as a tablet, you'll need to download the title to your device in order to search title content. Titles matching your content search are listed in order of relevance. Simply select a title to open it and view the search within the context of the title itself. Your content search from the library is carried through to the title and brings you immediately to the list of search results. Explore the results to locate the content you need. There are additional ways you can explore the title. The Table of Contents panel will allow you to visualize the structure of the title and quickly navigate deeper into the content. If you have a content search running, you can see where the search hits are located within the context of the title. You can also filter the Table of Contents. Matching Table of Contents terms will display as you type. Selecting a specific section will navigate you to that page. Simple browsing and navigating from page to page can be done by a variety of techniques. Swiping from page to page, using the scrubber bar located at the bottom of the screen, or by entering a specific page number. Your ProView title has additional tools to navigate through your title, such as your navigation history, and some titles may offer an A to Z index. Jumping to a different title is easy by tapping a title in the Recently Read view or navigating back out to your ProView library. This concludes ProView's Basic Search and Navigation Guide. To continue with the ProView Practice Series, please click on the next video that covers advanced search and navigation capabilities. Thomson Reuters ProView. Your book's powered up. For more information, visit us at legalsolutions.tr.com/ProView.